In this video, we'll answer one of the most common questions about Proton VPN in 2026. Does the 14-day trial still exist or has it been replaced with something else? The short answer is yes, but not for everyone. In previous years, Proton VPN offered a 14-day free trial that gave new users temporary access to many of its premium features. However, in 2026, the trial is no longer available as a standard offer for every new account. Instead, Proton focuses on its Proton Free plan, which lets you use the VPN indefinitely without paying. The free plan includes unlimited bandwidth, strong encryption, and access to a limited selection of server locations, making it one of the best free VPNs available. If you want premium features like access server in over 100 countries, faster speeds, secure core net shields, and blocking streaming support and P2P servers, you'll need to subscribe to a paid Proton VPN plan. Occasionally, Proton may offer limited time promotions or trial access during special events, partnerships, or regional campaigns. However, these offers are not guaranteed and shouldn't be expected when creating a new account. So, if you're searching for a permanent 14-day free trial in 2026, you may not see it. Instead, you'll most likely be offered the free plan, which allows you to test Proton VPN's core experience before deciding whether to upgrade. And if you're only interested in secure browsing, protecting your privacy on public Wi-Fi, or occasional VPN use, the free plan is often more than enough. But if you need premium speed, streaming access, or advanced privacy features, upgrading is the only way to unlock them. And that's why the Proton VPN 14-day trial is still real in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.